Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my students. Hope you are doing well. Actually, in the last video, I talked about consonant sounds. Today, inshallah, I'm going to talk about vowels. So let's have a look. Right? Okay. Vowels. The consonant sounds are mostly articulated via closure or obstruction in the vocal tract. Vowel sounds, on the other hand, are produced with a relatively free flow of air. So we have already talked about this. And we know that in the production of consonants, we have some sort of a closure, whether it is partial or complete, at some point in the vocal tract. However, in the production of vowels, yes, we have a free flow of air. We don't have any obstruction. So vowels are produced, okay? They are articulated without any closure in the vocal tract. And this is, of course, is one of the most important distinctions between consonants and vowels. What is it? It is that in consonant production, we have some sort of obstruction, of closure in the vocal tract somewhere. However, while producing vowels, we don't have any obstruction or closure. We just have a relatively free flow of air. This is number one. Okay, are vowels typically voiced or voiceless? This is another important distinction between consonants and vowels. Or vowels are voiced, or vowels are voiced. Okay, good. Okay, to describe vowel sounds, we consider the way in which the tongue influences the shape through which the airflow must pass. Okay, so we mention here the tongue. The tongue is the most important articulator. It is the most active articulator in the production of vowels. Why? Because it is the only organ of speech involved in the production of vowel sounds. The only organ of speech is the tongue. So when we would like to describe vowel sounds, we just look at what the position of the tongue. Again, we look at the position of the tongue in the mouth, okay, in the mouth. So we consider the way in which the tongue influences the shape. The tongue influences the shape through which the airflow must pass, okay? Okay, so to talk about a place of articulation, again, to talk about a place of articulation, we think of the space inside the mouth. What do we think of? The space inside the mouth as having a front versus back, front versus back. So we have two axes actually, a front versus back and a high versus low area. In other words, we are concerned with the position of the tongue in the mouth. We are concerned with the position of the tongue in the mouth, okay? The position of the tongue in relation to the front of the mouth, okay? So we have here front, central, back. Front, central, back. Okay, this is horizontal. This is the horizontal axis. This is the horizontal. So this is horizontal. However, here, like this, we have vertical. Again, in other words, we are concerned with the position of the tongue in the mouth. The position, number one, in what terms? The position of the tongue in relation to the front. The position of the tongue in relation to the front of the mouth, okay? Whether it is a front, okay, very near to the mouth, okay, front, central, this is a front here, central here in the middle, central, or back vowels. So we have, this is the, again, this is the horizontal axis. Front, central, back. Number two, the position of the tongue in relation to the roof. The position of the tongue in relation to the roof of the mouth. So the height of the tongue, the distance between the top of the tongue, okay, the top, okay, of the tongue to the palate or to the roof of the mouth. So this is number two, the position of the tongue in relation to the roof of the mouth, whether it is high, here is high, mid, and low, So we have two axes actually, if we would like to describe the to describe the vowels, okay, or the place of articulation, of vowels, okay. So in short, I can say that what we are more concerned with here in the production of vowels, okay, is the position of the tongue, whether it is front, central, back, or this is the horizontal axis, or high, mid, low, high, mid, low. This is the vertical axis. That's it. We have other options actually. Sometimes we add another option or another option, yes, which is whether these vowels are rounded or unrounded, concerning the position of the tongue, the two lips, whether they are rounded or unrounded. Okay, so nota bene, the tongue is the only organ of speech involved in the production of vowel sounds. The tongue is the only organ of speech involved in the production of vowel sounds. Okay, so we have many distinctions actually now between vowels and consonants in terms of their production. In the production of consonants, we have occlusion or obstruction somewhere in the vocal tract. In the production of vowels, we have a relatively free flow of air. We don't have any obstruction. Okay, we don't have any obstruction or occlusion. Number two, or all vowel sounds are voiced. Okay. The tongue is the only organ actually involved in the production of vowel sounds. Here we have this quadrangle. Quadrangle is the place where the vowels are produced. It is in the middle, okay? It is in the middle of the mouth. So this is called vowel quadrangle. Okay? The vowel simples are located in this vowel quadrangle. Here, it is written here, the vowel simples are located at the approximate position, in the middle, at the approximate position for the tongue when producing them. Them means the vowel simples, okay? All vowels are voiced. Good. And the back vowels are produced with lip rounding. The back vowels, okay? The back vowels, these are back vowels, okay? These are back vowels. So all the vowels on the left part of the chart, okay? These are all vowels that are on the left, these are the back vowels, okay? These are the back vowels. All the back vowels are produced with lip rounding. Ooh, ooh, oh, okay? So these back vowels, okay, are what? I mean, they are rounded, okay? Okay, lip rounding. We have lip rounding, or they are rounded. Rounded are rounded. So these are back vowels. These are front vowels. Okay? These are front vowels. These are mid vowels, okay? Central vowels, okay? Back, front, back, back, and the front in relation to what? In relation to the mouth. Okay? This is the mouth. Lips, the lips, the upper front teeth, the lower teeth, okay? So in relation to the mouth, okay? So again, I can say that all the vowel sounds, all vowels, okay? All the back vowels are produced with lip rounding, while the front vowels are not. So these vowels, e, all these vowels, front vowels, are not produced with lip rounding. However, back vowels, okay, these are back vowels, are produced with lip rounding, okay? So I think it's very easy. Again, all the vowels on the left part of the chart, where is the left part? This is the left part. All the vowels on the left part of the chart, okay, are front vowels. All the vowels on the right part of the chart, okay, are back vowels. That's it. So all the vowels on the left part of the chart are front vowels, okay? All the vowels on the right part of the chart are back vowels, okay? So in terms of describing vowel sounds, we need to describe them according to the, or in relation to the position of the tongue, according to two axes. One is horizontal and one is vertical. One is horizontal, one is vertical, the position of the tongue. As for the horizontal one, we have front, central, back. As for the vertical one, we have high, mid, low. High, mid, low. Good. Again, vowels, how do you articulate these sounds? Okay, so this is very easy. This is very illustrative. This is a quadrangle. Okay, vowel quadrangle. Okay, front, central, back, high, mid, low. Okay, seat, beat, e. Okay, seat, beat, e. Okay, sit, bit. Good. Set, bet, sat, bat, suit, boot, book, put. Book, put. Okay, sort, port, walk, talk, lesson, subtle. Okay, this is schwa, la, lesson, subtle. Okay, sa, la, lesson, listen, subtle. Okay, this is schwa. Okay, you see, all these are front vowels. These are back vowels, and that's why they are rounded. Okay, ooh, oh. Okay, back, front, back, high, mid, low. Okay, let's see the full transcription. Okay, good. Vowel sounds here again, the same quadrangle, vowel quadrangle, seat, beat. This is the phonetic transcription. Okay, e. This is e. Good. It's high front vowel. Again, this is the e. It's high front according to the two axes. Okay, according to the vertical and horizontal axis, front, central, back, and high, mid, low. Okay, so this is seat. Okay, you need to learn this quadrangle والمضلع I mean عن ظهر قلب. Okay, by heart. You need to memorize it by heart, and that's why seat, beat. This is e, long e. It's a high front vowel. Okay, we don't need, I mean, the third dimension. We don't need the third dimension, which is rounded or unrounded. Okay, I think you are going to study it. You are going to, I mean, to study it in phonetics. Okay, in phonetic courses. Phonetics course, which you are going to take, I mean, next year, inshallah. Okay, so we have seat, beat. This is long e. It's a high front vowel. That's it. Okay, sit, bit. Okay, sit. This is sit, bit. Okay, high front vowel. It's a high front vowel. Okay, good. Set, bet, mid front vowel. Okay, mid front vowel. Okay, mid front vowel. Mid, this is mid. Okay, front vowel. Okay, sat, bat. Okay, sa. Okay, so we open our mouth, and that's why it is low. Why? Because when we open our mouth, the distance is very great between the top of the tongue and the palate or the roof of the mouth, and that's why it's low. Okay, this is as for high, mid, low. Okay, ah. Okay, again, this is sat, bat, sa. Okay, ah, sat, bat. So in terms of the height of the tongue, we have a big distance actually, and that's why it is low. It is low. Okay, so sat, bat. It's a low front vowel. That's all. What you need to do is to learn this by heart. That's it. Okay, so low front vowel. Ah. Okay, suit, boot. Okay, Suit and boot. This is oo. This is oo. Okay, high back vowel. It's a high, you see, oo, because the tongue is very close to the roof of the mouth. Okay, oo. And that's why it's high. Okay, high back vowel. Say oo, oo. So all the back vowels are rounded. Rounded means the position of the two lips. Okay, and even if we would like to talk about the tongue is very close. The top of the tongue is very close to the palate. Is very close to the palate. So it's suit, boot. Okay, so it is a high back vowel. It is a high, okay, back vowel. Good. Next, it's book, put. Okay, book, put. A high back vowel also. A high back vowel. A high back vowel. Okay. Good. Next, sort, port. Oh, this is O. Sort, port. This is the O. Okay, so it's a mid. Mid. Okay, again, it is a mid back vowel. A mid back vowel. Mid back vowel. Okay, good. Woke, toke. Again, woke, toke. Sorry. This is a low back vowel. It's a low back vowel. It's a low back vowel. Low back vowel. Okay? Good. Toke. Okay? Woke. Good. Listen. Subtle. This is a schwa. Mid central vowel. It's a mid central vowel. A mid central vowel. Okay? Next. Okay, this is so we are done with the vowels. Let's go to these are called, by the way, pure vowels, okay, or simple vowels. Some say that they are simple vowels or pure vowels. We have something else called diphthongs. What is a diphthong? Okay, in addition to single vowels, okay, single also we can say single vowels. In addition to single vowel sounds, we produce sounds that consist of a combination of two vowel sounds known as diphthongs. So in terms of diphthongs, they are sounds or vowels that are composed of two vowel sounds. They are composed of two vowel sounds, and that's why they are diphthongs, okay? So when we produce diphthongs, our vocal organs move from one position, okay, to another I, as we produce the sound I. This is I. This is diphthong. So when we say it's I. So you see, gliding. Okay, the sound is gliding, is moving. The sound is gliding or moving from one vowel into another. And that's why they are a combination of two vowel sounds. Diphthongs are a combination of two vowel sounds. Okay, good. So the vocal organs move from one position as A to another I as we produce the sound I, as in high, by. It's very clear. It's very clear that when we produce this sound, the organs of speech move from one position into another. The movement in this diphthong is from low towards high front. Okay? It's from low towards high front. It's very high. Ha, okay, I. By, by. Okay, so it's from low towards high front. It's very easy. Good. We can use movement from low towards high back, combining what? Combining a and ow. A and oo. Okay, so to produce the sounds ow, as in cow, and okay, cow. Okay, cow, bow, okay? Now, cow, bow, now, okay? So, the movement is different here, actually. This is from low, ow, it's very clear. Low towards high back. Low, cow, okay? Cow, ow. So, it's from low towards high back, okay? Next. While vowels... Okay, while vowels E and A and O are used as single sounds in other languages and in some other varieties of English, they are only typically used as the first sounds of diphthongs in American English. So these sounds are what here, okay? Uh, these are the first sounds of diphthongs. E, A, and O are the first sounds in diphthongs, okay? We have 5 here. My, pie, a, with A, you see, this is one. So they are actually single sounds. In some languages, they are single sounds. However, here they are, okay, uh, um, they are used as the first sounds of diphthongs. So it's my, pie, I. This is I. This is the phonetic transcription of I. Okay? My, pie. Again, my, pie. This is I. Okay? Cow, how, now. This is ow. So the beginning is what? The beginning sound is A. Okay? Next, late, lay, a, say, lay. You see, diphthongs. The organs of speech move, or okay, yes, the organs move from one place of articulation into another, from one area, gliding from one area into another, and that's why there are combinations. Okay, combinations. Okay, late, lay, a, say. This is phonetic transcription of A. Okay, throw. Okay, crow, o, crow, throw. Okay, good. This is O. Okay, throw, crow, o, coy, toy, boy. Okay, boy, oi. It's very easy. So this is oi. This is oi. This is throw, o. Okay, o. Ow, oi, I. If you see A, E, and O, these are the first sounds in diphthongs. Okay, so what you need to do is to know them and learn them or memorize them by heart. This is I. Okay, whenever you spot this phonetic transcription, you need to know it. It's I, ow, A, okay, O, oi, boy, toy. Okay, I think we are done. Yes, we are done. Vowels, diphthongs, how to articulate these diphthongs. By, sigh, okay, ow, bow, doubt, okay, ate, great, bait, okay, explode, boat, explode, okay, boy, boy, noise. Okay, thank you very much. We are done. Thank you.